My purpose is to use this balloon to illustrate a great concept about how you can contribute more to others and how you can contribute more to yourself. So if you want to assist others or if you're selfish, let me use this balloon to illustrate my point, which is to fill yourself up and give yourself away. So you can give away more and so that you can get more. Imagine the balloon's you. For years, I've assisted leaders of nonprofit organizations and others to contribute to their family and friends, to contribute to their clients, to contribute to the world at large. And I believe that you can do that most effectively if you start by filling yourself up. So here's you. You're a little bit full, but before you contribute, fill yourself further. The reason for that is so you can give away more. And then, when you're ready to give away, when you're almost bursting with joy and happiness and love, when you're so full that you just almost think you'd break, then give yourself away. But stop. Don't give it all away. Because if you give it all away, you'll have nothing left to give. And then you might be attempting to assist others, but you'll be depleted. So control yourself and then fill yourself up again. And the next time, fill yourself up further than the time before. And you can because you have created an elasticity just like this balloon has. Now I can fill it up further. It looks like this. And life can be more joyful so that you can even give more. You give more to your family. You give more to your friends. You give more to the people you work with. You give more to your clients. But when you do that, stay in charge. Stay in control. Don't just let go because it'll look like this. You'll lose yourself. Before you lose yourself, fill yourself up and then give yourself away.